Kia ora, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. My name is Heather Rentz. I am the Community Development Manager at Hāpara. Digital literacy has a broad and complicated definition. We will use Mike Ribble's definition from the book 9 Elements of Digital Citizenship. Even advanced users of technology need to be taught how to use technology that is new to them. Much like students in the 20th century were taught library skills research, how to process and organize information, citing information properly, deciphering information for authenticity, and presenting information in different formats and styles, so must digital citizens be taught digital literacy skills. The Hāpara Instructional Suite can support you and your learners to become more digitally literate. Using student folders makes organizing and keeping track of learners' work easy. This way, you have more time for instruction, providing feedback, and helping learners be successful. When your school or district uploads classes to Hāpara, Hāpara works with Google Drive to create class folders for each student. If you create classes with the Create a Class option, Hāpara won't create a folder for each student. It will simply access their Google Drive. If you created your classes with the Add from Google Classroom option, Hāpara will access the Google Classroom folder rather than create a new one for each student. Learners can also view and add files to their folders to complete assignments. Educators and learners can also share their folders with others, such as a co-teacher. Hāpara creates student folders in the Shared with Me section of Google Drive. This is located on the left-hand side of your Google Drive. On the student tile, you'll see 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on these 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Open Folder. A new tab opens with that learner's folder so that you can view their work. Show your learners how to move their files into the correct Hāpara folders. You can create subfolders within student folders. For example, you and your learners may want subfolders for warm-ups, quizzes, and exit tickets to organize work. The files in these folders will have the same editing permissions, and the subfolders will appear in Teacher Dashboard. Be sure to walk your learners through the steps to add their subfolders. Be careful with the folders. Do not rename student folders and do not move the folders around in Google Drive. We hope your new understanding of Hāpara student folders helps you manage and organize all the great work your learners do in Google Drive. Thanks for watching.